Hello, this is Mr. Devereaux, and we're going to be working with geometric proofs. And what I want us to do is a couple of examples. So, in the figure at the right, the two lines intersect to form four angles, 5, 6, 7, 8. If 7 is equal to 9x, I'm going to write that right here, that's 9x, and 8 is equal to 11x, complete the paragraph proof to show that x is equal to 9. Okay. So, given 7 is equal to 9x and 8 is equal to 11x, I have to prove that x is equal to 9. Well, 7 and 8, that sure does look like a straight line to me, right? This is one straight line, and it does say that there's two lines intersect, so this is one whole line. So they don't form an angle. It is a straight angle, it's a straight line. So they are supplementary. That's the definition of supplementary. Is two angles create a straight line. So angle 7 and angle 8 must be 180 degrees because that is the definition of supplementary angles. By substitution, I can say that 9x plus 11x is equal to 180. Why? Because 9x plus 11x has to be 180. That's by substituting, and I'm substituting the value for 7. For 9x, they substituted the value of angle 8 for 11x. So x has to equal 9 by the division property, because if I was going to add this up, I would have 18, would it be, no, it would be 20x is equal to 180. I have 20x is equal to 180, divide by 20, x will equal to 9. So if I have, I'll do that again, 9x plus 11x is equal to 180. 9x plus 11x, that is 20x, divide, there you go. Okay, let's go down here to the number 3. Complete the two-column proof to show that angles 1 and 2 are supplementary, and angle 1 equals angle 2, and angle 1 and angle 2 are right angles. Given angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary, so they're telling me that they are supplementary, and they're telling me that they are the same. I'm going to even draw this over here. So if I have this, and I have this, I have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So they're saying that this is a straight line. These are a complementary, or I mean, these are supplementary, so this is a straight line. And if they are the same, gotcha. All right, so what are my reasons here? 1 and 2 are supplementary, and angle 1 is, that is given. That is a given statement. 1 is plus 2 is equal to 180. That's a definition of supplementary. Measurement of 1 plus 1 is equal to 180. Well, why can I do that? I can substitute because they're telling me that 1 is equal to 2. So if 1 is equal to 2, I can just substitute right there. So I am just substituting. That means 2 times 1 is 180. How can I do that? Well, I'm simplifying. And how did you get to 1 to 90? What did I have to do? I had to divide. So this is actually called the division property of equation. Division property of equation, because if I divide one If I divide by 2 on one side, I got to divide it by 2 on the other side. So if 1 is equal to 90, 2 has to be 90 because I'm substituting. 1 and 2 are right angle, but that's the definition of right angles. A right angle is 90 degrees. So what we're doing right here is really just going line by line and putting a name to how we usually solve problems. This is deductive reasoning. I'm going line by line, logical, step by step to try to fill in what we already know. We're just putting some names and definitions to how we do things.